Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Izadi from Pristine Wellness Center, and I would like to thank you for attending our live visual event for RHA collection of fillers. I would encourage you to stay until the end of the event and ask me any question you might have about RHA collection of fillers. At the end, there will be a raffle for 2 participants to get one syringe of RHA filler free. And also there is a special promotion for only tonight for everyone who uses the previous promotion to buy 2 syringes, get the 3rd one free, and on top of that a $75 MasterCard gift card toward their purchase. So there are 4 different types of RHA filler, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1 is called Redensity. It's a very special form of filler that is the first and only FDA approved filler to inject in both superficial dermis and dermis, and it has a very high stretch score, and it's my favorite filler to use for the smoker lines, the vertical lines around the mouth, and tear trough. There is no other filler like that, and also it lasts longer than some similar fillers in other brands. RHA number 2 is more for like nasolabial fold, if the patient wants to have a very natural look. And as we go to higher numbers, there is more strength into the filler, so we can go deeper under the dermis, and we use RHA number 3 and 4 for nasolabial fold, marionette lines, and the jawline. So the reason that I started using RHA collection of fillers is because a lot of my patients wanted to have a natural looking result, and they don't want to look fake, and there are 2 main reasons I like RHA collection of fillers, and they are different from all other hyaluronic acid fillers. One is that they look very natural, and they integrate with your tissue and move with your muscle movement on the face, and also they last longer than other hyaluronic acid fillers that I've been using in my practice. Our gorgeous Kelly here and we are going to assess everything on your face and see which areas we need to increase volume and do a little bit of correction.
Okay.
So as I look at your face, there is a little bit of volume loss here in temple, and a little bit volume loss here, very minimal. In some patients I see huge concave area of volume loss, which they don't. It's interesting because when patients come to me, they never mention this area. They mention nasolabial fold or marionette line, but they never look at the temple, which is...
I learned that from you. Like, this is a huge place.
Yes, and if you correct that, the whole face will be rejuvenated, actually. So that's one area that we can actually inject a little bit of RHA number 4 here. And then another area, a little bit under the eye, we can use RHA number 1 with the cannula, go deep under the muscle here to increase a little bit of volume there, and a little bit, the nasolabial fold doesn't look bad at all.
I think I have threads under there from last time, probably.
Yes, so we can add a little bit of I would say number 3 here in the nasolabial fold. We can always add a bolus of like 0.3 milliliter at the junction of the nasolabial fold and the side of the nose. If you want to have a little bit of volume in your lips, we can use RHA number 2 for people who don't want to increase the volume in their lips. They just want to have a more smooth lips. We can use number 1, which doesn't increase volume, but it makes it more hydrated.
Okay.
Hi, I'm a continuing patient of Dr. Izadi, and I love to come to her for 2 main reasons. The first is she's an awesome practitioner. The second is that she's always on the cutting edge of everything that's coming out. So she had a brochure about a new filler, and it said it lasts longer, and I said I would like to try it. And this filler has been approved in Europe since 2015, and just got approved in the United States. So she put some in my nasolabial folds. I had indents around my cheeks and lips, and then big folds, and really sagging in my jawline. So she put the filler in, and it went in so easy, and it looked so smooth and so natural when it was done, that I can honestly say I think it is the best filler that I've used, and it comes in different strengths to treat different issues on the body that you may want to fill. But for the face and for the jawline, I can honestly say it filled in beautifully, naturally, and I really love it.